It's without question. Your iPhone houses a world of features that you may never fully recognize. However, it's the hidden gems that take your iPhone experience to another level. This is Manny, the DIY guy with Team Komando, here to show you 7 tricks you'll wish you knew sooner. Number 1. Dim your iPhone with low light mode. If you're using your phone in a dark room or the screen is merely too bright, adjust with low light mode. There are several options for dimming the display. You can either go to Settings, Display Brightness, and move the brightness slider to the left, or open Control Center and adjust the brightness level from there. Number 2. Respond to messages with a tapback. A tapback lets you respond or react to a message quickly with emojis. Double tap or hold a message while in the Messages app and select a heart, thumbs up, thumbs down, an exclamation point, or a question mark. Number 3. Delete calculations with a swipe. There's nothing more frustrating than messing up when you're in the calculator app and have to start over. Instead of hitting delete repeatedly, swipe back left as an undo. Number 4. Move multiple apps all at once. Want to organize your iPhone apps? Move multiple apps by long pressing on one app with one finger, then use another finger to tap and drag another icon and stack it on the original icon you are still holding down. Continue stacking apps. When done, drag and drop the entire stack to wherever you want. Number 5. Customize alerts for contacts. You can customize alerts, vibrations, or sounds for specific contacts. Go to Settings, Sounds, drag the slider below ringers and alerts to set the volume for all sounds. Tap a sound type, such as ringtone or text tone, under Sounds and Vibration Patterns for new mail, calendar alerts, AirDrop, and more. Number 6. Stop the music. Looking for a bedtime timer that will stop your audio and lock your phone, forcing you to enter your passcode? Tap on the Music app and select your playlist and start a timer. Instead of choosing an alarm or alert sound, tap when timer ends. Scroll to the bottom and choose the Stop Playing option. Press Start and done. Number 7. Select messages to forward or delete. To quickly select messages to forward or delete, open your Messages thread and pinch on the screen with your forefinger and thumb. You can either choose Delete All or check off individual messages to delete or forward. There you have it, our list of 7 hidden iPhone tricks. Incorporate them whenever you want, and you'll be an iPhone expert in no time.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.